Oh,
hi
guys.
It is Tamica
And Seny from Sisters Saving You Cents.
and welcome back, Cent Savers. If you're new here, that's Seny and this Tamica. We're the sisters that run this channel.
Yes, we are. Sorry, y'all had to burp.
We reunited, and it feels so good for a couple days.
Yeah,
definitely for me because I'm tired, as y'all know. But we here. What we got, sister?
We got some deals, y'all. No, we talked about some of them yesterday. If you watch yesterday's video,
yeah, a lot of some of that stuff. You can go back and watch it. A lot of the prices are different. I don't know what they did. Maybe they just, I don't understand Publix. It'd be like one price and then it go, I guess it's a sale price up.
Sometimes it'll go up and sometimes it'll go down. We tell y'all this all the time. They will change their price point. It just depends. And sometimes we don't know until we get in store. Because sometimes the ad or it just depends. You really never know.
You don't with Publix.
You have to scan it when we get into store.
Yeah, me and sis was talking about how Publix is the only app that doesn't show you the price.
And we don't understand why they don't show
Everybody
the price.
show you price. Food Line, Lowe's Foods.
Like, why aren't the prices being shown?
Maybe because they change them.
Exactly.
I don't know. But anyway.
So, I don't know.
I feel like it's a decent week of deals.
I think it is decent. I do. I think it's a decent week. There's definitely some things that I know I probably will pick up, but
I'm picking up what's free. There's a couple of them.
Yeah, there's a couple
maybe one or two.
freebies, and then I'm probably gonna get some detergent items, but that's gonna be about it for me.
Sorry about that.
It's all right, sister.
My bad.
What else is? Is BJ still going on?
BJ's still going on.
That's 20 cents off gas. Also, did y'all get the 50 cent off of the Circle K gas yesterday? Did y'all remember that? Did y'all sign up for Circle K? Wait, not Circle K.
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Yeah, 7-Eleven.
Did you do that? I didn't. Probably should have, because the gas is expensive.
But I did get an offer from Speedway last week that was valid for 7 days for 50 cents off.
That's
so
nice.
I clicked it. So I got till tomorrow. Right, yes. I have to tomorrow to get the gas. So sis, I'm going to go by and get some. I'm trying to go by. I'm not gonna make it to where I need to go tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to get some gas before I get gas. But you see what I'm saying? Yeah. But just remember, 7-Eleven on the 7th and the 11th of each month right now is 50 cents off per gallon of gas, which we need.
It's really good. Yeah, y'all. The gas in Texas was cheap. I don't know why this gas is $3.50.
They close to the gas things, ain't they?
Yeah, I'm talking about that gas was like $3.09. I ain't seen $3.09. That's the normal price across the cities. I'm like,
$3.09 is crazy.
I didn't see anything over $3.20. Ours is $3.40 to $3.50. What's y'all's gas prices currently? Tamika, please don't tell me I done left the house and left my chaps.
I don't understand why gas is high. Everything high. It's crazy.
Why? Have y'all ever got, this is me on my random tangent.
Make sure you don't.
I'm not. Yeah. Have y'all ever got class action lawsuits and got 2 claims to one individual? I got 2 claims in this class action lawsuit to my mailbox. 2 separate claim numbers.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. Well, but it's just me, though. It's not like, oh, Tamika, look, this has an S as an initial. Oh, then it got
might not be right. Is that right? Your middle name ain't T.
It's not.
Oh, that might not be right.
That's what I'm saying. This is wrong.
You meant to call them. Or
you see what I'm saying, sis?
I do see.
Very weird.
Yeah, y'all, there's a lot of them going on right now.
I have a lot of class action lawsuits. So I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't check y'all mailbox, go check your mailbox. Check your emails. I done got some to my email. Y'all, I'm telling you, I done got like 4 in the last couple of weeks. So
there usually be some. I don't know nobody. There used to be coupons that did that too, but I don't really know any right now.
Yeah, and now there's so many apps that want you to pay. Y'all don't have to pay for those apps.
You can search on
You can Google them. You can put it in chat. So, anyways, we're gonna go in. We're gonna go get these deals.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be a long video. We gotta go. It's already 3:46.
Bye.
We heading in.
We here with the detergent, folks. Okay, now you do have different options. Starting with these would be the best ones. This one at 67 loads, or this one. These are included. They're $6.39. Buy one get one free.
I don't need it, y'all.
Yeah, buy one at $3.19. That's right. Sis, bring back the coupon. We got $2 digital in the app. It's gonna make one of these $1.19, and these are also included. You know, the fancier ones, but that's only 35 loads. So like, I would absolutely get the 67 load. Pick it on up, y'all.
We're here with the Arm & Hammer packs. These are
$7.49, y'all. We tried.
$3.74
for one.
We have $2 digital.
Yep.
Okay, $1.74.
And that's a separate digital, y'all. Okay, so pick it on up.
Nothing's gonna come out. break.
Okay, listen, it's loud in here, but we're doing the best we can. This is the Odor Blasters Deep Rinse Fabric Rinse, whatever. Arm & Hammer is $7.49. Buy one, get one free. You put our tags on the wrong stuff, but that's the tag. We have a $2 Tamica, we're a digital.
Buy one for $3.74.
$3.74. They got it.
She ain't saying nothing. $2 digital.
There you go. Makes it $1.74. Okay, pick it up. We are really struggling this morning, but we're okay. This one is the one that's the $3.24. Sis, you just corrected it right there. You checked it off already.
Yo, it was a lot going on, and I didn't want to speak while this man was coming by. Okay, so Cindy understand that, but I stopped talking. Okay, so the disc right here, Scent Booster, $6.49.
Y'all see that?
Pick up one for $3.24. Okay.
Yep.
We have a $2 digital.
Yep.
That makes it $1.24.
Oh my gosh, Taylor. Okay, pick it on up.
We gotta go. Y'all, we got Windex on sale this week, $4.69 BOGO. We have a lot of them. Okay.
Yeah, different varieties.
Pick up 2 if you want to. You can pick up to 5. We have 50 cents back on Ibotta. It's gonna make each one just $1.70 y'all. I don't know how much, but
yeah,
$1.70 something. Okay.
Yeah,
so
it's a good deal because we don't get deals on Windex, y'all. So definitely one to look out for. We are here with the Nature's Own breads. Now, it's different ones. They're buy one, get one free, priced at $3.65 this week. We have 80 cents back on Fetch. You can do that up to 3 times. So if you pick up 2 loaves, you're going to get $1.60 back, making them $2.05 or around $1.02 each.
All right, if you got kitty cats, we got these fancy Feast Gems. These are the 8 twin packs. That's what it says. So 16 entrees total. I didn't even realize that. Yeah. Anyway, they're $19.99 BOGO. You can pick up one for $9.99. Okay, we have a $3 digital. Okay. Yep. Then you're gonna go up to Ibotta for $3 back. Yeah. That's gonna make one just $3.99. Now you can buy 2. You just gonna get off $9 for 2. Yeah. So, but a decent deal if you need it. Okay. All right, y'all. We don't. When I say never talk about a drink deal at Publix, we don't. We think our price is high, but this one's a good one. We have the 8 packs of Pepsi products at $9.49 BOGO. You're gonna pick up 4. Okay?
4 of them.
4 will be $18.98. Okay. We have a 3 off for 4 digital. Yep. That makes them $15.98 for 4, which is a good deal, or $3.99 each.
$3.99 each is fantastic,
bad, y'all. This is pretty good.
So those are the ones for your lunchbox.
Yep.
Okay. Pick it on up. Okay, y'all, so we came to the register to test out a deal on the Celsius. Now, the Celsius this week, these are priced at $2.89. You can see that right here on the screen. And we have a $5 digital coupon that's technically for the multi-packs that's attaching to the singles. So this is a G word, okay? It could end at any time. Yeah. Now, what we figured out is that the $5 will come off, but you do have to have enough stuff in the cart to cover your overage. You just can't, you gotta have $5 in products. You need to have $5 in products. So this is going to be free plus a $2.11 moneymaker. So I just did this and rang up my Arm & Hammer items, and my subtotal is 96 cents for all 3 of these items. We're going to keep doing the video, y'all, just FYI, but I'm going to go ahead and pay for this, but now we know that you can absolutely get this for free plus a moneymaker. Okay, y'all, we're here with the cake mix. Now, this one ends today, okay? And it's only if you got it in your clip. You cannot scan this in our bottle. Yeah, so hopefully you clipped it. Yes, sis told you yesterday. Make sure you're watching them videos. $1.99 BOGO, pick up 2, okay? Yeah. We have just on the cake mixes, just the cake mixes. We have $1 for 2, and sis has 500 on Fetch. Check your Fetch. If you have that, they're 49 cents for 2 or 24 cents each. It's a good one. It's a good deal. Pick it on up. Let me take them. Yeah, we here with the Kool-Aid Jammers. Now the regular ones are $3.99 BOGO, and then we have the sours at $3.79 BOGO. Yeah. And check your Ibotta. Mine went up. I have $1 back. Okay, so that would make 2 of these. $1.99 or 99 cents each, or 2 of them, whatever that is, 89 cents or 89 cents each. There you go. Great deal. Y'all, me and sis were just talking about, we ain't had a Nature Grain bar deal in 15 years. And we ain't. So y'all been out here paying full price unless you know something we don't know. Okay. These are $3.99 BOGO. Okay, you're gonna pick up 4 of these for $7.98. We have, hold on, 3 off for 4 digital. Okay. Yep. That works on other stuff. That works on Cheez-Its too. I did not realize that. They're on sale for $4.02
okay,
this week.
So anyway, you can pick that up. That'll make them $4.98 for all 4, or just $1.24 each.
This is great. Honestly, I'd probably do this over the Cheez-Its because we get more Cheez-Its deals than we do Nutri-Grain. So if this is your jam, get on in the Nutri-Grain, okay?
It's only a 2 cent. That's a good deal for Cheez-Its too. I did not
it's realize. A good deal for Cheez. We might cover that deal too.
It's a 2 cent. It
would be 8 cents more. Yeah. To do that deal, essentially 3 to 8 cents. Yeah,
you could do 2 of these, and
you could do it however you want to do it. All right, pick it on up, y'all.
Yeah, I don't know which one.
Next, we have the General Mills cereals. You're looking for the ones that are priced at $4.97 or cheaper. I don't think there's a cheaper one, but $4.97. Okay, buy one get one free. You're gonna pick up 2. We have $1 off of 2 digital, and then you're gonna go over to Ibotta. We have $1 off of 2 on Ibotta. Makes 2 of them $2.97 or $1.48 each. Easy deal. We're here with the Cleveland Kitchen red onions, kimchi pickles, and dill pickles. These are $5.99. Buy one, get one free this week. You can pick up how many? Up to three. Okay. You're looking for this offer on Merryfield for 1,500 points back. That's $1.50. Plus, you'll get scan points too, but we didn't factor that in. That's going to end up making these how much, sister?
$1.49.
That's not a bad deal. Yeah. Check your Merryfield though, because y'all, I don't have this offer, but sis does, and I ain't even know Merryfield rolled like that.
I didn't either.
So pick it on up, y'all.
We're here with the Axioter. These are $5.99 this week. You're going to pick up 2 for $11.98. Now, we have this instant savings of $4 off when you buy 2.
Y'all see that?
That's going to come off. We have a 7 off of 2 digital.
Yep.
That'll make the final cost 98 cents or just 49 cents each. It's
great. Pick it up if you need some deodorant, okay?
All right, y'all. Y'all, this was confusing. There's only 2 of these that work, and it's the biscuits, these 10 count, and the 5 count of the cinnamon rolls Pillsbury. These are $2.79, okay? Now, I have $1.50 off of 2 digital. You may have $1, okay? I have $1 back on Ibotta.
Yeah.
When you buy 2, and then I have $1 on 2 on Fetch. So I'll make it free and a 71-cent money maker. Without that $1.50 digital, it's going to be free plus a 21-cent money maker.
Yes.
So either way, a free Pillsbury win.
Yeah, is a win. Pick it on up, y'all. Next up, we have a great deal on the Outshine bars. Now, these are priced at $5.69. They're buy one, get one free. We're going to pick up one for how much, sister?
$2.84.
Yep, $2.84. We have a $1.70 digital coupon, and it's only one that makes these $1.14. And I've heard these are really good, so I would definitely pick them up if I was you.
We're here with the Tyson breaded chicken. These are $11.99. We scanned both of these. These are the 25 ounces, $11.99 BOGO. You can pick up 2. We have a 3 off of 2 Ibotta rebate, excuse me. Makes them $8.99 or $4.49 each.
Not too bad.
We're here with the Totino's pizza rolls. These are $7.31 in our store.
Yep.
You're gonna buy 4 for $29.23. We're only gonna pay half of that, which is $14.62. Okay.
Yep.
We have this 50-cent deal that ends today, so you're gonna add 50 cents after the day. Okay.
Yep.
And then the 5 off of 25.
Yep.
If you still have that, you're gonna pay $9.12. Okay. Then you're gonna go over to Fetch for 80 cents back on $8. I'm not about to show y'all. I'm doing too much.
Yeah.
Okay, that's gonna be $8.32 or $2.08 each.
This is a really good deal. And this promotion does work on several items in the store, y'all.
Cereal.
Yeah. You can mix and match. It works on the pizzas. So
yeah, Totinos.
Totinos. Yeah.
I have a hard time.
We always want to say Tostitos, y'all.
We really do.
It's okay. Pick them on up. It's a great deal. Y'all, we out.
I feel like my face looks sad at the top. I don't know what that
I don't know what that
anyway,
is.
I'm tired, y'all.
Sometimes your face can look sad on the top and happy on the bottom, or sad on the bottom and happy on the top.
I'm just like, I didn't get much sleep. Sis knows. I slept, but at the wrong time of the night, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So anyway, we are at the end of this video, y'all. To me, this is a good week of deals at Publix.
I think it's good. We have some. The BOGOs are interesting, like just the BOGOs with no coupons. But some of the couponing deals are some of the best deals that we've had on that specific item in a long time. So
especially pizza rolls and things. Them
yeah,
got outrageous.
Pizza rolls, the Pillsbury, the Celsius,
that
I love
Celsius
the Arm & Hammer
y'all
deal.
remember? Oh, hold on. Yeah, I got.
We might have 10 solid good deals. You need to come pick up the Publix for real this week. Okay,
I
maybe more than 10.
My receipt. I need to pay attention.
Sis didn't look at her receipt. I know all my stuff came off because I didn't really buy much. I tested out the one deal and then I got the
I need to look
rolls.
at my receipt before I leave. But anyway, I did. To me, it was a lower out of pocket week. So
yeah.
But the BOGO, the coupon deals to me are better than the BOGOs this week.
Yeah. Yeah. So. Anywho, y'all, what else do we need to talk about? I think
remember the
Sam's
Club, not Sam's Club, the BJ's membership
is still a good deal.
And if you want to try Amazon Music, a new customer 2 months are free.
Yeah, pick that up. Sis, is you okay?
Nope.
Anyways, we love y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Hopefully y'all have already seen the reel that we posted about the Celsius, because we posted it, so you should be seeing that before you see this video.
You should be.
Anyways, we love y'all so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye y'all.